enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld San Antonio. Boarding guests, please follow the down over your head and shoulders.
Thank you so much.
It's okay, yeah.
And these articles are not permitted on Barracuda Strike. Place all items in the area provided in the unload area. This includes hats, keys, phones, wallets, and wheel-spinning footwear. And Papa? One more leg. Is that okay? Thank you for riding Barracuda Strike, and enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld San Antonio. One more leg. Is that okay? Thank you for riding Barracuda